This is a great facility, over 600,000 square feet inside and outside, but outside we don't have any green space. We don't have anything to come out and have an activity field or at lunchtime, recess. We felt like that we could take a parking lot and turn that into an activity complex. Just many opportunities that we could use the space for that we don't have now.
The PTO is super excited to help with the green space because we know that it's the next step to making our school better. So we're kicking off a calendar fundraiser, and it's super easy. All you have to do is go up to a friend or a family member or anyone and just ask them what their favorite number is. Say their number is 27, and you just ask them if they can donate $27. And you just want to work to fill out all of those numbers. Our grand prize drawing, if you complete all 31 spaces, is 6 Disney one-day passes.
It will be a multi-purpose field and one that we are in great need for.